Now, if your dough is really soft, it's important that you chill this, or these will spread like crazy. So actually, I think I'm going to go ahead and pop these in the freezer because see how they're kind of oily? It's going to spread. And if you add, the more milk or butter you have, the more it'll spread. So if you're using a real butter recipe, it's very important that you pop this in the freezer for about 10 minutes to firm up. Then you need to take a room temperature baking sheet. Put the cookies on a room temperature sheet. Don't put the frozen sheet or they'll spread in the oven, or it'll spread. You take them off here, put them onto a room temperature sheet, and put that in the oven and bake it. So we're going to pop these in the freezer. Okay, so these are nice and firm. They were in the freezer for about 10 minutes. I'm taking them off the frozen cold sheet and put it on the room temperature sheet, and then I'm going to pop them into the oven for what it tells me to do. See how they're nice and firm? That's really nice. It's about 8 minutes for my recipe. It's nice because I can kind of pick them up and adjust them. Okay, so 8 minutes in the oven. My splits recipe has them at 350. All right. Okay. Okay, so there they are, and it's nice. No decoration necessary. Here you have easy piped cookies, no cutters required. You can make cookies for any occasion. All you need is a piping bag and your normal figure piping skills.